this video, it is specifically for the week 3 Punnett square practice. I noticed that the screen was blurry for multiple students due to our school internet connection, so I hope that this video will help to explain a few parts that you might miss because of our internet connection. So let's take a look. To access this assignment, make sure to go to your Google Classroom. Click right here on classwork. Go down and go to week 3 Punnett square practice. Click on that and you'll find the Google slide right here. When you come to the Google slide, it might look very small, and if that's the case, make sure to click on the magnifying glasses for zoom and make sure to keep it at 100%. Let's take a look at this assignment. Direction. Use the abbreviation capital R for round piece and lowercase r for wrinkle piece in the Punnett square for each question. Work out the following cross and answer the questions. Number 1. Homozygous dominant and homozygous recessive. For the first one, I'm going to put it on the top right here. I also indicated with a color so you can discern which one they are. For your assignment, you can choose to color code if you like. If not, you do not need to color code it. And right here, we have 2 lowercase r. Let's start with this one right here. Again, parents 1 is going to pass the first allele to the top and to the bottom square. Same thing right here, the second allele of parents 1. And now, let's go horizontally to parents 2. They're going to pass allele to each of the possible offspring. We're going to do the same thing right here on the bottom. So right here, if we take a look, for parents 1, we have homozygous dominance. Parents 2, we have homozygous recessive. How about each of the offspring? There are 4 possibilities. Out of the 4 boxes, I see that 4 out of 4, they're heterozygous. What does that mean? If they're heterozygous, they have a dominant allele and a recessive allele. Remember, the dominant allele always overpower the recessive allele, which means that all of them will have round piece. So again right here, what percentage of offspring will be round? That will be 100%. How about the percentage of offspring that is wrinkled? 0%. Now remember, out of this 100% round P, they are all heterozygous. But again, whether they are homozygous, dominant, or heterozygous, they will have the same phenotype. They look exactly the same. Let's try the second scenario. In the second scenario, again, we are given 2 capital R right here. So homozygous dominance. And right here, we have 1 capital R and 1 lowercase r. So they are heterozygous. Let's start right here on the upper left-hand corner. Parents 1 give 1 allele to the top and the bottom. And right here, they also give 1 allele to the top and 1 to the bottom. How about on this side? This one go horizontally, allele to the left and allele to the right. Same thing with the bottom. Allele to the left, allele to the right. What do you see for the offspring? Out of the 4 offspring, we see there are 2 out of 4 that are homozygous dominants. Another 2 are heterozygous. What does that mean? Let's take a look at our table. 2 over 4 is 50%. So we see that we have 50% are homozygous dominants and 50% are heterozygous. But regardless whether they are homozygous dominants or heterozygous, they will all have round P. So our answer right here will be 100% round P's. If you like to indicate a genotype, you can also put the notes in parentheses like what I show. How about percentage of wrinkle P? We won't have any. In order to have wrinkle P, they need to have 2 recessive allele. And right here in this case, they only have 1 recessive allele. What that means is that the dominant allele will overpower the recessive allele, so we would not see the recessive allele at all. For the following one, I'm going to show you how to start on this, and I want you to give it a try. Again, for the first parents, I am going to highlight this in yellow. And I'm going to show this in yellow as well. So this is the first parent. And right here on the right side, it is the second parents. And I'm going to put it right here as well. Uppercase R, lowercase r. Give it a try. What do you think will go inside? Again, this one go on the bottom. This one on top and bottom. The horizontal one, again, it goes horizontally. Give it a try. Let me set up the other one for you as well. Again, this one right here. If you feel that color coding help, feel free to use color coding. It is not required for your assignment, but if it helps, feel free to use it. And again, for the other one, I'm going to use another color. The color doesn't really matter as long as you use the same color for each of the parents, so you can tell clearly which one is which. So again, I have the first parent on the top and the second parent on the bottom. Last but not least, I have homozygous dominance for parents 1 and 2. So right here, for parents 1, you get 1 allele on the left and 1 on the right. This is also the reason why even though you share the same parents as your sibling, you will actually look different because your parents can actually give you different gene. So the parents that the gene that your parents can give you is actually different than the gene that they gave to your siblings. Again, give it a try. Take a look. Go back to example 1 and 2. Try out 3, 4, and 5. How would the Punnett square looks like? What would the percentage be? For the percentage, feel free to refer to the diagram on the upper right hand corner. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!